with what you are having here, and that is what makes this to be straight or unbent. Simply said, it keeps this system in equilibrium because what you have here is exactly what you have here, so they are equal. That's why the system is balanced. But the moment there is an alteration such that the green 6 is no longer here, then there won't be a balance again. The system will tilt towards this side, just like you see. It means that this side is already heavier than this side. That is what this diagram is telling us. So, I believe you understand. Okay, so, returning that 6 kg brings the balance again. I don't know if you understand. Okay, so that's just a kind of balance system, and that's the system we're going to be using in solving this algebraic equation. Okay, so we're going to be bringing some things from one side to the other side, and vice versa. So, looking at these following examples, considering example 1 to 9. Wow, that's a lot of example. So, question 1 says we are having 13 minus 6a to be equal to 1, right? So let's have a cooking cylinder with the label of this 13 kg. So still on this side, let's have a minus 6a cylinder, a minus 6a kg cylinder. Alright, and on this side, let's have a bridge. Okay, just like on this equal to stand, let's have a bridge there, and on this side let's have a 1 kg cooking cylinder. So this system is telling us that when you subtract this from 13, you have a 1 kg, so, and that keeps it balanced. Alright, but when you solve equation, remember in our previous work I talked about lag terms. Now you need to collect lag terms. So what are the lag terms there? This is 13 kg, this is 1 kg. Okay, so we have to bring the 13 and 1 kg together on one side, and you leave the minus 6 kg on one side. Why? This a is a variable, so that is a variable whose value you are looking for, so it's just better you keep it on one side, and the two other body that doesn't have any variable, you bring them on the same side. But this is equation, okay, not like expression that we did the other time. Okay, so how does it work? Now I want 13 kg to come here and meet 1 kg. So how does it work? So I'm picking my 13 kg is flying right now, coming to this side of the equation. But one thing is that the moment it gets here, something must happen. Now it's crossing this bridge, this equality bridge, equal to. So the moment it crosses, what happens? This 13 kg changes, and it changes to what? Minus 13 kg, just like you can see. So it has already changed to 13 kg. So having changed, it can now come and cross this side successfully. I believe that is understood. So it can come here and cross here successfully. So now you now have minus 6a kg equals minus 13 kg plus 1 kg. So let's address that mathematically. So here is minus 6a, and here is our equality sign, then equal to minus 13 kg plus 1 kg. I believe you can all see what I did. So this minus 6 kg equals minus 13 kg plus 1 kg. So here I'm having minus 6a to be equal to, now if I simplify this, I'll be having minus 12. Okay, you have a debt of 13 naira, you have to pay 1 naira, or you want to pay 1 naira out of it, so you are still owing 12 naira. So this is the debt. So now what is a? A will help you divide both sides by what? By minus 6. So you will be having a minus 12 over minus 6. Then your a equals true. Alright, your a equals what? Your a equals true. So the value of a in this equation is what? Is true. Is true. I believe you get the whole thing. It's about balancing. It's about balancing. So this bridge is your equality sign. Anytime anything crosses, either from left to right or vice versa, the sign changes. Okay, let's move on. That's question 1. Now question 2. Okay, question 2 says, this is 12 plus 5a equals 23. So the 12 and 5a are on this side of the equation. This is the bridge, and we have the bridge here, and 23 is separate on this side. Wow. So it looks like when these and these are added together, they make a balance with this. But right now, there is a variable here. So just like the same movement the other time, this 12a we have to leave here to come and meet 23 kg. This 12 kg we need to leave here and come and meet this 23 kg. Alright, so when it comes, it changes to minus 12 kg. Then bring it down. Alright, so analyzing that, we're going to be having this 5a to be equal to quality sign. This is minus 12 plus 23, because 12 right now has changed. So this is plus 5a equals, when you simplify this, what do you have? You have 11. So alright, so our a will now be equal to 11 divided by what? Divided by 5. Divide both sides by 5. So you have a equal to 11 over 5. I believe that's understood. Then let's move on to the next question. Question